Hey ladies, it's time for another unboxing and try on. This time it's Natalie Attired. I was really looking forward to this box. It seems like it takes longer periods of time for me to get it, but actually I get it once a month. It comes every 30 days, so it just seems like, it's like, when's my Natalie Attired supposed to be here? You get 5 pieces. The styling fee is $20, and that $20 is applied to anything that you keep. This is actually the classic collection. Let me try that again. This is the classic collection. It's $20 styling fee, free shipping. They also have a limited collection where you pay one price. I think it's $72, but then you pay $10 shipping. And then I don't know how many pieces you get. I've never received that collection before. And then you, I think you get, that price includes everything that they send you. I don't know how many pieces you get, but it's supposed to be, I think, like a 50% discount if you end up keeping everything. But mine is just the regular classic where they send me 5 pieces, try them on. You pay for what you want to keep. $20 styling fee is applied towards that, and shipping is free. Here's my invoice. I don't want to look at that. Here's all the instructions. If you keep 3 or 4 pieces, you get a 20% discount. If you keep all 5, you get a 25% discount. And a personal note, my stylist again is Renee. I'm so excited. Thank you, Renee. I hope you're watching. Happy spring. I chose 2 pair of jeans and tops to go with them. Enjoy, Renee. Thanks, Renee. Okay, here's the envelope to return everything in that doesn't work out. So let's see what I got. Okay, I'm pretty excited. Let's get to the try on. Okay, let's talk about this top. It's a cream color. It is a pin tuck or pin, what do you call that? I don't know, but it's got the little dots that are raised on the fabric. So it's cute. Now this top around the arms is not too tight. It doesn't hurt. It's a size small, $42. I think that's a bit much for it, $42. I thought that I would like this color, but I actually think I like the gray better, or I would even like it better in a bright color. But it is really cute. It's nice and soft. It's a great length. But for $42, I'm gonna pass, unless I end up keeping 3 or more items and I get a discount, it brings that price down. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence. Okay, let's talk about these jeans. All right. Mike is home and I put them on. He's like, ooh, those are kind of tight. They look a little small. Yeah, you think? Okay, these are by Just Black. And if I do a front tuck, you can see they're just like, these are too small. They're a size 28. They are the 5 pocket. The length is okay. They're a straight leg with the raw edge. And the length is okay to wear them with tennis shoes. Not my favorite, but they're too small anyways. They are high-waisted, which is nice, but I need to get these off. And I think the white pair, I don't even know if I'm gonna get those on, but we'll see. So we'll give it a good try. Okay, I could not get the jeans on. The white jeans. Oh goodness, these are by Just Black and they're $72. And nope, could not even zip them or snap them. Nope, wouldn't do it. So those are definitely a no. Mike's like, ooh, I know. But what's really kind of weird is that the jeans that I have on are from Just Black. They're size 29, so they're only like, those are a 28. These are 29, but I think when you get into the colors and the whites, you need to size up even one more. Is that, I mean, does anybody else find that to be true, or is it just me? But these jeans are Just Black that I believe I received from Natalie Attired, and has the raw hem that I love. I wear these all the time. Do not put them in the dryer. Okay, let's talk about this top. It is a side knot top ruffle. It's $39. It has a raw hem here around the neck, which is kind of neat. It's like 2 layers. So I like that look. I like the tie or the knot on the side. Let's see, but if I untie it, what does it look like? Yeah, just a flowy top. It's got the ruffle sleeves, which I typically like, but it is kind of, there's no privacy, like I call it a privacy panel on the side, on the inside, because it is pretty low. It's not too bad, but this just feels really sloppy to me up here. So for $39, I won't grab it. It's not something I'll reach for to wear because I have other things I like better. So, all right, one more top. Okay, this is a cute top. I like that it's a V-neck. It's kind of low, but I do like it. Love the tie-dye on this. It's a really pretty blue color. I have this front tucked. Here's the with it out. I like the length of this sleeve. Even this tab sleeve does not bother me because there's not really any material that's going to need to be rolled. It just kind of stays right there. So that's nice. The only negative for me for this is it's very thin. So it doesn't suck this, I'm sucking in this belly, but if I let it go, that is not a good look, ladies, not a good look. But you know what? I always say this, it is what it is. You know, I've got hair in my face. Trimmed my bangs this morning and I don't know. I know I didn't do a very good job, but you know, when you do it yourself, it's free. So I don't know, I do like it. $32, I've already paid a $20 styling fee. So, you know, is it worth the extra $12? Maybe. I don't know, I love the print. I like how the ease of it. You know what? Let's put a denim jacket on. Hold on. I don't know if that changes the look. I don't know. And it is kind of tight on this with this jacket with the sleeves. I don't know, I really like it. I think I'm gonna keep this one. So that's it. That's my Natalie Attired. I mean, I love this box, I really do. I'm so glad Renee is my stylist because all of this is my style. Every single piece, except, of course, you know, fit issues or with this top, the tie, side tie, it's just too sloppy up here for me. Of course, the jeans and the, you know, both pair of jeans don't fit. But this top, I'm not crazy about the color on this. I think it washes me out. I actually think I like the gray one better, but I returned it. So, you know, that's okay. It's not anything I absolutely need or have to have or anything. So it is what it is. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.